Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you in the online classes of Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. I am Smina Sardar. I am going to present a maths lesson for class 3. Dear students, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, as you know, we are studying the chapter about the place value. Today we will use the same concept to expand the numbers. The objective of today's lesson are, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the place value, write the expanded form of 4-digit number and the 5-digit number, write the number for its expanded form. Dear students, first of all we will discuss the place value of number. We have a number 246. First of all we will discuss the position of the digits. Here 6 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place and 2 is at 100's place. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones. So 4 is at 10's place. So the place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. 2 is at 100's place. So the place value of 2 is 200. Dear students, can you tell me what is the place value? We can say place value is the value of each digit in a number. We have a number 327. What is the place value of 3? 3 is at 100's place, so the place value of 3 is 300. Here, what is the place value of 2? Now 2 is at 10's place, so the place value of 2 is 20. Can you tell me what is the place value of 7? We know 7 is at 1's place. So the place value of 7 is 7 ones or 7. Dear students, if we add all these numbers, then we get the same number again. That form, when we write the place value by placing the addition sign, that is called expanded form. That is our today's lesson. So the topic of today's lesson is expanded form of 4-digit and 5-digit number. First of all we will discuss what is expanded form. In mathematics, expanding means writing out a number showing all the parts that make it up. In other words, we can say expanded form is a way to write the number by showing the value of each digit. Expanded form is made up in 2 steps. First step is writing the place value of each digit, and the second one is to place the sign of addition. In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. Dear students, here we have a number 7294. That is a common way to write the number. That is also called standard form. Now we will write the place value of each digit, then we put the addition sign. Here 7 is at 1000 place, so the place value of 7 is 7000. Then we put the sign of addition. Now the place value of 2 is 200. Now we put the sign of addition. 9 is at tens place, so the place value of 9 is 9 tenths or 90. Then we will put the sign of addition. Now we will write the place value of 4. 4 is at ones place, so the place value of 4 is 4 ones. The writing of place value by placing the addition sign, that is called expanded form. Let's solve another example. We have another number. That number has 5 digits. We have a number 43,176. First of all, we will write their place values. Then we will write the place values by placing the addition sign. Dear student, we know here 4 is at 10,000 place. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. 3 is at 1000 place. So the place value of 3 is 3000. 1 is at 100 place. So the place value of 1 is 100. 7 is at 10th place. So the place value of 7 is 70. 6 is at 1's place. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones or 6. Now we will add all these place values by placing the addition sign. So the expanded form of 43,176 is 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 6. We will solve the next question. Write the number in expanded form. Here we have a number 12,345. Now we will write the expanded form for this number. We know 1 is at 10,000 place, 2 is thousands place, 3 is at hundreds place, 4 is at tens place, and 5 is at ones place. So we write the place value of each digit. 1 is at 10,000 place, so the place value of 1 is 10,000. 2 is at 1000 place, so the place value of 2 is 2000. 3 is at 100 place, so the place value of 3 is 300. By placing the addition sign, we have written all the place values. So that is called the expanded form of 12,345. Write the number for the expanded form. Now we have a expanded form. We will write their number. We will add all the place values, then we get the number back. We have 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 6. Now by adding all these numbers, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6, that is 6, 0 plus 0 plus 7, that is 7, 0 plus 3, that is 3, and then 4. So we have the number 4,376. That is the number for the given expanded form. Let's solve another example. Now we will change the expanded form into a standard form. We will write the number for this expanded form. We have 60,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4. We have written all these values. Now we will add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, that is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, that is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 7, that is 7. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Then we have 6, so the number is 60,784. That is the number for this expanded form. Writing of number in this way, that is called the standard form. That is the general way or common way to write the number. Dear students, we will revise the main points. Expanded form is a way to write a number by adding the value of its digit. We should be very careful about place value while writing expanded form or standard form. It's time for the homework. You have to write the expanded form for the given numbers. Dear students, you know practice makes a man perfect. I have prepared a worksheet for you. You have to solve these MCQs. Choose the correct answer. In number 1, 2192. Look at these expanded forms. Which one will be the correct expanded form for this number? We can see here 100 is absent. There is 2190 plus 2. That is the correct option. So option B is correct. Next number 24,678. Now we have to look where the correct answer is. Here hundreds are absent. Look at the B part. We have 20,000, 4,678. So option B is correct. Question number 3, 275. So look at these number, then we know there is 200 plus 70 plus 5. So option D is correct here. Number 4, 9863. 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 63. Here hundreds are missing. So option B is the correct answer. The next question, 40,000 plus 500 plus 7. So we have to choose the correct number for this. 4,507, that is 40,057. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.